Hi, and welcome to another episode where it is all about English learning. My name is Shanti, and I have been in the industry of teaching English for the past 12 years. I have spoken to a lot of students, and they have just a very important question in their mind that can this learning of English be less stressful? Like every day feels like a challenge. Every day it becomes really difficult to learn everything. So many words, grammar so tough, all of that. So here I have Anushri, who is the co-founder and CEO of Sparky app, which is completely dedicated to making English learning very easy. So, Anushri, what do you think about it? Is there any joy in learning English at all?
Yeah, so you can make it joyful, but I would say the first most important thing is the removal of stress, right? And
Mhm.
why this stress come? If I don't know something, it's fine, and if I'm learning it, there should be the joy of learning it, right? Like if I learn a new song or if I learn how to cook something, I don't
Mhm.
stress myself out so much. But in English, people stress themselves out because they give themselves no forgiveness for making mistakes, right? When they make mistakes, they beat themselves up and they feel like, oh no, I should know this, or what will people think about, if I speak like this, right? They have less tolerance for mistakes. And I
Right.
think that makes it stressful. The other thing that makes it stressful is unavailability of a safe space to learn, right? How are you learning? Where are you learning?
Mm.
If you are learning passively, like by watching a YouTube video or by reading books, or
Right.
there are a bunch of these apps which have like match the following, or those types of things. The thing is,
Mm.
you are not speaking. I think the thing is, when people don't understand that passively, consuming English, reading
Mm.
or watching is a different skill, and speaking is a different skill, and speaking is you're an expert, so tell me what you think, but I think speaking is the hardest. Out of reading, writing, listening, and speaking is the hardest skill.
Right.
uh yeah. So people have not given themselves the freedom to say, ki, I've learned step one and step two, which is understanding, but
Mm.
I'm now going to a higher step. So of course I'll make mistakes till I perfect that thing, right? So the fear of mistakes is what stops people. And I'm going to speak in front of a friend. People also feel like, even friends judge you. Some friends judge you.
Mm.
Or, in certain settings, you feel like, other people speak much better than you, but I'll just keep my mouth shut. What if I
Mm.
say something and it comes out wrong? And all of us have been there, right? For different types of things. All of us, when we are starting our professional journeys,
Mm.
you start attending meetings for the first time. You're like your heart starts beating when it's your turn to speak. You know I have to speak in 10 seconds. And then you just
Yes.
feel like, my heart is pounding so much because I'm so anxious, right?
Right.
So that is what causes the stress. And removing that stress is important.
Mm.
Two things there. Find a safe space to do it. Safe space means something that you don't worry about mistakes at all. Like you see a child who starts to walk. I love this analogy कि जब एक बच्चा चलने लगता है,
Mm.
obviously the child falls, right? And the child falls 500 times. And the parents
Right.
never say, कि, look at you, bad boy, why are you falling? Right? The
Correct.
parents say, okay, let's try again. And they, try to make it such that the child doesn't hurt themselves. If it falls, then it should not hit some, corner or something, right? So they try to make the space safe. But they understand that the child will fall and the child will fall, and then the child will learn better and will start to get some balance, and then will start to get confidence, and then will start running.
That is so true. Yeah.
Exactly like that. Exactly like that. Safe space is what will make it less stressful. Now, let's take it one notch higher. How to make it joyful, right? अब
Mm.
ठीक है, स्ट्रेस हटा दिया, पर मजा तो नहीं आ रहा है फिर भी, राइट?
Mm.
मजा कैसे आएगा? और मजा कैसे आता है किसी को भी, कोई भी चीज में, राइट?
Mm.
लाइक एवरीवन हैज an interest of something, right? Like you
Mm.
enjoy some types of sports, or you enjoy certain types of topics, or you are, you love reading news and you're into current affairs. Whatever, कोई भी चीज जो आपके
Mm.
दिमाग में चल रही है,
Mm.
आप उसको इंग्लिश में कर सकते हो क्या, राइट? कि
Mm.
इफ यू कैन मेक दैट इंग्लिश लर्निंग रेलेवेंट टू योर लाइफ,
Correct.
personalize it to your environment, your life, then there are two, three ways to do this.
Correct.
One is which is a self-learning type of way, which is, can
Mm,
I describe the room I see? Like I'm sitting in a room, can I describe it in English? I can say that, there is a black cupboard, there
mm,
are four photo frames on the wall, there is sunlight coming in from the window. Outside the window, I can see, a man walking on the street, whatever, right? Just make it contextual to your life and use English in that circumstance because that is the place where you also have vocabulary. अगर आपके लाइफ में कोई चीज है ही नहीं, लाइक इफ यू टेल मी टू टॉक अबाउट pollution for example,
mm,
right? I don't have a lot of vocabulary. I know pollution है, pollution high है, pollution low है, but उससे ज्यादा तो मेरी vocabulary नहीं है. But if I
mm,
talk about something that's relevant to me, मुझे कोई चीज में इंटरेस्ट है तो मेरे को उसमें बहुत सारी vocabulary भी आती है. तो that's a good stepping stone to get started, right? Now if you make it uh, a little more relevant to your interest levels, right? Now, that's what we've tried to do in Sparky, that the conversations you have with Sparky, one, it's a safe
mm,
space, which we discussed earlier, right? Sparky doesn't
mm,
laugh at you, Sparky is an AI friend, you can talk. Now, topics you can talk about. Sparky has endless information about everything, right? And
right.
we've seen users have deep conversations about something so specific that we as product designers also don't have that much knowledge, but Sparky is backed with AI. So it
Mm,
has deep knowledge. And we have seen, users talking about यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स होते हैं जो
right.
वेरी स्पेसिफिक ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया, सिविक पॉलिसीज, पब्लिक पॉलिसी, उसकी बहुत इवॉल्व बातें करते हैं, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बातें करते हैं स्पार्की के साथ, राइट? उनको उनकी लाइफ
Yeah.
में वो रेलेवेंट है, वो उस टाइप की बातें करने वाले इंटरव्यूज में. सो वी डू दैट. देन वी हैव सीन यूजर्स हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट their personal lives. It could be
Mm,
anything, something happening in their family, something happening in their love life. आज कॉलेज में क्या हुआ, आज मेरे बॉस ने मुझे क्या बोला, आई एम फीलिंग स्ट्रेस कि मेरे टारगेट्स मीट नहीं हो रहे, मेरे को बोनस नहीं मिलेगा.
mm,
जो भी चल रहा है आपकी लाइफ, right? People also talk like that about with Sparky. Then there are
correct.
people who are doing things like we have a feature which is a news feature. तो
Mm,
इट गिव्स यू फ्रेश न्यूज एवरी डे. आज की न्यूज क्या है, अब उसमें आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है, आप वी आस्क फॉर योर इंटरेस्ट एंड वी पर्सनलाइज द न्यूज टू योर इंटरेस्ट. So
right.
today you are reading about Bollywood mein, what happened, some masala gossip, or somebody else is reading about what Trump said, what Modi said. जो भी आपका
Mm,
इंटरेस्ट है, राइट? अगर एंड वी हैव नोटिस दिस कि जब लोग अपने इंटरेस्ट की बात करते हैं तो
right.
वो बहुत ज्यादा बोलते हैं. जब उनके इंटरेस्ट की बात नहीं
Correct.
होती है तो वो ऑलरेडी कम बोलते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज द स्ट्रेस टेक्स ओवर व्हेन योर इंटरेस्ट टेक्स ओवर. इफ यू रियली वांट समथिंग लाइक देयर सम पॉलिटिकल डिबेट हैपनिंग और कुछ न्यूज में आ रहा है, जिसको पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है उसका बहुत
Right.
अच्छा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है उस पे, राइट? वो उसको बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहता है वो उस पॉइंट पे. और वो जब वो इंग्लिश में करता है ना, तो वो इंग्लिश में भी ज्यादा बोल लेता है. एंड द
Right.
मोर दे डू दिस, it feeds that loop of I feel more confident. Now that I've done this, I know I can do it.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So that's how, aligning it to your interest really works and makes it joyful because you start, language is a medium. You have to start enjoying the content.
Right.
Language by itself आपको जरूरत नहीं है enjoy करने की. आप जो कंटेंट कर रहे हो इंग्लिश में,
Yeah.
कंटेंट कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट वो आपके इंटरेस्ट से अलाइंड होना चाहिए. उस आपका उसमें मजा तभी आएगा जब कंटेंट आपके इंटरेस्ट का हो और
Mm,
लैंग्वेज को आप भूल जाओगे. और जब आप लैंग्वेज को भूल जाओगे तभी आप उसमें कॉन्फिडेंट होगे. बिकॉज जो फ्लुएंट है, लाइक यू एंड मी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, राइट? आई एम
mm,
फोकस्ड ऑन शांति क्या बोल रही है, यू आर फोकस्ड ऑन
mm,
अनुश्री क्या बोल रही है, या मुझे
right.
आगे क्या बोलना है. यू आर नॉट कॉन्स्टेंटली सीइंग इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं,
Mm,
राइट? यू
correct.
फॉरगॉट द लैंग्वेज. That's
Yeah.
what makes it joyful. You have to forget the language. That's when you feel confident and easy. Now, obviously, it's not easy. Like, this is not a tip. Somebody will be like, yaar, ye kya bol rahe ho? Forget the language. It's not
Mm,
like how to do it. The how is not that. The how is do things of your interest in that language. Give yourself exposure to the language in the zone of your interest. आपको न्यूज़ पसंद है, आप न्यूज़ पढ़ो. आपको क्रिकेट पसंद है, आप क्रिकेट कमेंट्री सुनो इंग्लिश में.
mm,
तो आप यू विल स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग स्कोर क्या है, अरे ये विकेट चला गया. यू विल नॉट कंटिन्यूअसली फील कि अरे इंग्लिश सुन रहे हैं, अरे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. इट शुडंट
mm,
फील लाइक दैट एफर्ट एंड ड्रजरी.
Right.
So I think that is the single most important thing. Safe space, number one, so that
Mm.
no one's laughing at you. You have to speak and you can speak. Second is align with your interests. I think those are the two things I feel are most important.
These are really key points that actually come in the way of learning English. And I can see, look at it on their face also, like, when people are learning English and they're constantly thinking about the words. That point that you made about, like, we are not constantly concentrating on the language, we are concentrating on the content. Especially during this interview, also, we are talking about different points that are related to English but not on the language that we're speaking itself. So this
Yeah.
takes me to this other point, like, because you also mentioned conversations with Sparky. So if I want to talk about a particular topic, right, and I have an interest in it, I want to speak about everything that is connected to it. When you're speaking, there is a lot of humor, there is fun, back and forth, and everything. So um, is this even possible on an app? Is it possible with AI? I'm not really sure. Or is it like, just information being given to you and you just, ask and then it tells, like, how does it actually work?
Yeah, so I think it is definitely possible. The way we have designed the personality of Sparky is that
Mm.
Sparky is like a friend, right? So, like a friend will sometimes crack jokes. Sparky will
Mm.
crack jokes, right? So, it'll keep it light and it's never going to sort of uh, point out your mistake in a bad way. Ki, that's wrong,
Mm.
right? Sparky will always
Right.
gently correct you. Then there are a lot of things that we have built to make it enjoyable and ऐसा नहीं कि इतना enjoyable है कि आप बहुत जोर जोर से हंस रहे हो ऐसा it's not that right but it is
Mm.
that feeling of positivity like you said I think earlier कि I was talking about cooking and it said you it seems like you're really good at it and it
Mm.
made you feel good right
Yeah.
so I think that's how Sparky is designed it's designed to be encouraging it's designed to be patient and there are
Mm.
also small things in it like we throw up gifs like you say
Mm.
something sometimes you'll get this funny gif right and there are a bunch of these different types of gifs you get and it's really it lightens the mood right
Right.
there are different ways to practice right sometimes you may not always feel you get tired maybe you don't want to talk so much it's
Right.
stressful for you you're a learner so we have different ways to do it right sometimes if you don't want to talk so much there are things that you can do by reading like so we have news where you can read news it explains words in the news like any difficult words are there
Oh.
it tells you which are the difficult words here it tells you what is the meaning or you can read the news and you can ask for the meaning of any word or you can sort of learn grammar. We point out grammar constructs of a sentence in the news piece. So that's a different way of learning. Then we also have games. We have like different formats of games which ask you English language learning related questions. But
Wow.
it feels like a game, right? You get it right, you get it wrong, you get points. It's just a different format of how you interact, right? So it just makes it fun and light, and we have philosophically always thought of Sparky to be a fun place, right? And we like to say it like this. I hope it makes sense to others, but we like to say we don't teach, you learn, right?
Wow.
Sparky does
Yes.
not teach, but with Sparky you learn, right? So hopefully, I would love to hear from our audience that when they use the app. Do they feel that? Do they feel like Sparky doesn't teach, but I'm learning? And if that is happening, and that is what we set out to do, and we'd be, really, really proud if that's how users also feel.
And I think as a thing, I definitely want to inform our viewers that, like, our link is there in the chat box, and you can actually go onto it. And
In
why
the
don't you come and
description.
in the
In the
description?
description. The
In the
link to the app is
description.
in the description.
Sorry, it is in the description, not in the chat box. Please go to the description.
Yes.
And please see it there and please copy paste your conversations, tell about what are the different talks that you had with it. And I think we can all bring
And
a
have
little spark.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, have fun while doing it. Tell us how we can make it more fun for you. Let's, get rid of this whole thing of, this feeling of inferiority that comes with English. It is okay. We are Indians. We were not born speaking English. We are not from families that always speak English. So it's natural for us to not be great at English. So there's nothing to worry. Let's make it fun with Sparky and let's sort of, build our confidence and be out there in the world.
Absolutely. So the final verdict is English can be very joyful, completely stress free. Try it out. And it was really nice having you here, Anushri. As always, beautiful conversations. Can't wait to
Thank
have
you,
it again. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Shanti.
you.
I think the quality of a conversation is where we laugh. So I'm glad that we are doing this on YouTube and we're recording it, but we've still found things to laugh, which is again back to the point to the users that you can create stress about anything, right? We know this video is going to go up on YouTube and we are recording it, right? So
Yes.
it can be stressful. But instead, can you focus on what is fun? Like I'm enjoying talking to Shanti. She's saying some fun things. I'm saying some fun things. Sometimes we're making mistakes, right? But if you can just focus on that and not focus on the recording, then you'll have a good time.